Toyota's success story is one of the most remarkable in automotive history, characterized by innovation, adaptability, and a strong commitment to quality and efficiency. The company went from a small loom manufacturing business in the early 20th century to becoming one of the largest and most respected car manufacturers in the world. Toyota was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda as an offshoot of his father Kiichiro Toyoda's successful automatic loom business, Toyota Automatic Loom Works. Kiichiro had a vision of transitioning from looms to automobiles, a bold move considering Japan's nascent automotive industry at the time. The company's first passenger car, the Toyota AA, was released in 1936 under the name Toyota, later changed to Toyota because it sounded better in Japanese. This marked the beginning of Toyota's automotive journey. After World War II, Japan's economy was in ruins, and so was Toyota's production capacity. However, Toyota managed to recover by focusing on domestic vehicle production for the rebuilding Japanese economy. The Land Cruiser became a pivotal product for the company. Known for its rugged durability, it gained a reputation globally as a reliable vehicle for difficult terrains and became a cornerstone of Toyota's export business. Toyota entered the U.S. market in 1957 with the Toyota Crown. While initial sales were modest, Toyota learned quickly and adjusted its strategy. In the 1980s, Toyota introduced the Camry, which would become one of the most successful cars in North America. Known for its reliability, safety, and fuel efficiency, it helped Toyota cement its leadership position in the U.S. market. To compete with European luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW, Toyota launched its luxury division, Lexus, in 1989. The first model, the Lexus LS 400, was a huge success due to its combination of luxury, performance, and reliability at a competitive price. By the 1990s, Toyota had become one of the world's largest car manufacturers, and in 2008, it overtook General Motors to become the world's largest automaker by production volume. Like many automakers, Toyota faced challenges during the 2008 global financial crisis. The company had to deal with declining sales and a major recall related to unintended acceleration in some vehicles. However, Toyota's commitment to quality and its ability to learn from mistakes allowed it to recover and maintain its strong reputation. As of today, Toyota remains one of the largest automakers in the world, with a reputation for producing reliable, high-quality vehicles. It is known for its strong global presence, innovative technology, and leadership in environmental sustainability. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon button. Thank you.